guys. Whichever side you want to go on. Go. Yeah. Really? But, what's up? I miss you guys. I'm sitting here getting ready. And she wanted out of her cage. I was like, whatever, why not? Make a video. Haven't made one in forever. I am currently working on 2 videos. The actual video for the film festival and a video of me at work, because heck, I mean, I might as well show you guys why I haven't made any videos. Not like anyone cares, but anyway, Kyla, I get it, you're there, I know. Anyway, I don't even know what to say. I had everything thought up, and then I take the video or start shooting the video, and it all goes blank. Of course, like always. Okay, let's just chillin'. Come on. Come here. Come on. Up, up, up. Ow, 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 ow. Kyla, ow. Get out of mommy's hair. I got you. Ow. Are you mad at me now? Huh? You mad, bro? You mad? She is actually getting better for the most part. See? No problems. No problems. Huh? She has laid a couple more false eggs. But she talks a lot more. Huh? Yeah. See if she tries to shoot my hair. She usually tries to eat my hair. Say hi, Kyla. Say hi, Kyla. No! Don't touch the camera! Ah! Ah! Say hi to the people. Say hi. Yeah, she don't like the camera. She is a sweetheart. She really is. She's my baby girl, huh? She's biting my sleeve. You're a good girl. Alright. But, tonight I'm going out with my girl, my Sheena. She is helping me do my video. And we're going out to her niece's birthday party tonight. Yeah, should be fun. You're not going. And then I gotta go to work in the morning, so I can't stay out late, which kind of sucks. I haven't been able to sleep in it forever. But you're making me feel like, hey, how you doing? You make me feel so retarded. You know that? But, Kyla, no. But yeah. And then next Friday's the rave at West Carrollton. Woohoo! I'm dragging my boyfriend along with me. I look so bad right now. But yeah. What, you got anything to say? Huh? Ain't true. You got anything to say? Tell everybody bye. Say bye, world. Alright, well, I'm out of here. I'm getting ready to go to the party. This will be up probably afterwards when I'm home, having no life and getting ready for work. So, bye. So, Bye.